Welcome to Factful Finance, where we turn complex finance topics into actionable steps for your financial success. Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans struggle to manage their finances because they don't have a clear paycheck distribution plan? It's no surprise. Figuring out how to divide your paycheck for financial success can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's a simple way to take control of your money and set yourself up for long-term financial success? Now, before we dive into the specifics of paycheck allocation, let me give you a quick disclaimer. The following advice is for educational purposes only. While we're about to explore some powerful strategies, always consult with a financial professional for personalized guidance. All right, let's jump into it. First, let's break down what I consider the best approach to dividing your paycheck. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and it's one of the most effective strategies used by financial experts around the world. This rule will help you budget your income in a way that balances your immediate needs, future goals, and long-term financial security. Step 1, 50% for needs. The first step is to allocate 50% of your paycheck to essential expenses, your needs. These are the things you can't live without, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, groceries, and insurance premiums. Think of this as your foundation, the building blocks that support your daily life. For example, let's say Olivia earns $4,000 a month. Following the 50-30-20 rule, $2,000 would go toward these essential expenses. If she's living in a city with a high cost of living, a good chunk of that $2,000 may go toward rent, but it's essential that these priorities are covered first. Step 2, 30% for wants. The next portion of your paycheck, 30%, should go toward wants. This category includes non-essential expenses that make life enjoyable: dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, shopping, and travel. It's crucial not to let this category overtake your needs or savings, but it's also what helps you live a fulfilling life without constantly feeling deprived. Let's look at Elijah, who earns the same $4,000 a month. That leaves $1,200 for things like weekend trips, nights out with friends, or upgrading his tech gadgets. Allocating 30% for these fun expenses can help you stay motivated and engaged in your financial journey. Step 3, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Finally, the remaining 20% of your paycheck should be dedicated to securing your financial future. This portion is reserved for savings, retirement contributions, and paying down any outstanding debt. It's essential to treat this like an investment in yourself, whether it's for building an emergency fund, contributing to your 401k, or knocking out high-interest credit card debt. Take Benjamin, for example. After covering his needs and wants, he directs $800 each month into a high-yield savings account. He's also putting $200 into his 401k, which benefits from his employer's match. Over time, these contributions will add up, building the financial cushion he needs to feel secure. Real-world application. It's easy to think these principles only apply to high earners, but in fact, anyone can benefit from this strategy, whether you're just starting your career or working toward early retirement. Even if your paycheck is smaller, sticking to this simple breakdown helps you prioritize what matters most while avoiding the trap of overspending. Now, let's talk tools that can help you manage this system. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, are great for tracking your expenses in real time, while apps like Acorns help you automatically round up your purchases and invest the spare change. These tools can help make the process even easier. Engagement moment. What about you? Have you already started dividing your paycheck this way, or are you planning to implement the 50-30-20 rule? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're tackling your paycheck distribution. If you like what we do here at Factful Finance, why not hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more expert-backed tips that can supercharge your financial success. And if you're ready to take the next step, we think you'll find the video we have lined next to be really helpful for your financial journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best way to predict your future is to start creating it today. See you in the next video.